Chittirai Mudinilava Tiruvira is a program that is being celebrated by the one-year community. This is called as a one-year youth event that is being conducted by PMK and the leaders of the Kachi, Patali Makal Kachi, that is Anbumani Ramdas, and the founder of the party Ramdas are over there. And right now what is happening is that they are depicting the leaders of the party, that is they like one after the other, who have been prominent members of this particular party called as PMK. It's a very important party when it comes to Tamil Nadu, and that's what you see over here as PMK is going ahead and showing how strong the party is, because this party alone goes ahead and makes up to 20%. The one-year community is nearly 20% of Tamil Nadu community, and you see that is the symbol of the party, PMK Patali Makal Kachi. That's a mango inside a flag which has a blue band, a yellow band and a red band. The drones are being shown to show the symbols, the important insignias, and as we speak, that is the founder of PMK, Ramadas, who is being depicted over here, and he has played a very important role since the 1980s when the one-year Sangam was created. He still plays a very important role. He was a very important person when Karunanidhi was alive, when Jayalalitha was alive, and he still continues the legacy of Tamil Nadu politics. And right now, it is being like, just as we speak, the drones are once again conglomerating to show the next person that could also show exactly how the party is going to move forward, and everything is being depicted over here in this particular event with the drone show. And there you see the next picture coming up. That is Anbumani Ramadas, who is the leader of the party. After his father, he is the present leader, and right now he is also being depicted over here, and there he closes his fist. It's also symbolism of saying that they are fighting for the cause of 1 year. Massive show of strength by PMK over here, and there you have the party's general secretary, and he is Anbumani Ramadas, and behind several leaders are also going over here. And we also have Dr. Ramadas, who is the actual founder of the party, who is also being taken to this Chittirai Tiruvira at this spot, Chittirai Mudinilava Tiruvira, and here lakhs and lakhs of cadres of PMK have come together, and that is Dr. Ramdas, who is present at this spot, and he's entering the venue. In fact, on the other side of the venue, you could see lakhs and lakhs of people have come together, all waiting for their party leader. Everybody coming together to celebrate this event, which is the party's founding organization, one-year community celebrations. At the same time, you could see over there how a huge crowd has gathered here as well. This is how the PMK, the Patali Makal Kachi, and one-year community have come together to celebrate this particular event. This is a massive show of strength that is occurring. Like almost we have yes, we have a year for the elections, but right now itself it looks like every other party have started their preparation at this spot, and you have a huge display where it shows on one side the founder of the party Ramadas, and the other side Anbumani Ramadas, who is the leader of the party right now, and all this being done to bring the cadres together. And you can see the flag over there, which is carrying the Agni Kundam, which means a fire inside the vessel, which is a symbol for the one-year community at this spot, and the one-year Sangam, everything brought together. And this is how they are celebrating this particular event, where the father and son have come together, the founder of PMK and the leader of PMK, along for Chittirai Mudinilava Tiruvira at this spot. Definitely a massive show of strength. A massive conference has been conducted here next to Chennai at Mahabalipuram, called as Chittirai Mudinilava Tiruvira by PMK leader Anbumani Ramadas. Thank you so much for speaking to us, sir. Why did you choose this particular day for this particular conference? A massive conference.
See, every year for the last 1,000 years, the Kshatriya community, the Vanyakula Kshatriya community in Tamil Nadu, have been conducting a conference in Mahabalipuram, where we ruled earlier. And we meet during the Chittirai full moon. This month is Chittirai full moon. We meet on the seashore and exchange pleasantries. This tradition has been going on for the last 1,000 years in Tamil Nadu. And we do this every year. This year's conference was a massive conference. We have met here to demand social justice from the state government, Tamil Nadu. Our demands for this conference is the state government should do a caste survey in Tamil Nadu. I'm happy that our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi ji, had announced a caste census along with the population census at the center. We are grateful to him, we are thankful to him. This was the demand of our leader, Dr. Ramdas, for the last 45 years, where he had met former Prime Ministers Rajiv Gandhi, Mr. VP Singh, Mr. Bajpayee ji, Mr. Manmohan Singh ji, and Mr. Modi ji many times. twinges on a caste census along with the national census earlier. But at the same time, the national census, caste census is going to be a macro level census. And we need to have a micro level data where the courts are demanding if there needs to be given internal reservation for any community, you need to have population data and have social backwardness data. And then only you could justify that you could give an internal reservation. You just, with the head count, you can't give any reservation. This is what happened in Bihar. They stuck it down. So for that, the state government has to give a survey, do a survey under the Indian Statistical Act 2008, like Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra, Orissa, and Bihar. And then only you will get data. Telangana government have literally asked 75 questions in their caste survey. And they have huge data with them to justify in the judiciary, in the court, that we are giving benefits for reservation because they are socially, educationally, and economically backward, as well as their population.
So we did hear your in-depth and clear speech, but at the moment you also claim that the Chief Minister is lying about this survey. Why?
Absolutely. I have not seen a Chief Minister lying in the assembly. He says that the Tamil Nadu government has no power to do a caste survey in Tamil Nadu. How can Telangana government do? How come Karnataka government has done? How come Bihar has done? How come Andhra is doing? Orissa is doing? Is Tamil Nadu in China or Japan? We have a rule, we have a law formed in the parliament, Indian Statistical Act 2008, whereby the state government, central government, the local body representative, even a panchayat leader, panchayat president can do a caste survey in his panchayat. And I fail to understand why a chief minister, he says we don't have powers. I don't know, this is something, and he says that he claims to be the grandson of a social justice revolutionary, Tande Periyar. It is shameful.
The thing is that I could see a major crowd over here, everybody yelling your name. And is this a show of strength for the coming election?
See, absolutely, this is a social justice conference. And my brothers and sisters, you see, they have turned out in lakhs and lakhs. They want a change. They feel that this community and other backward class communities have been deprived time and again by the government of the DMK government, who are not bothered about social justice, who are not bothered about the downtrodden section. See, according to me, development doesn't mean you build malls, you build tidal parks, smart city, intellectual city, airports, runways, highways. Development means you have to develop the people living around that. Give them education, give them employment. And that is what is true development. That is what we want. That is the demand of this huge conference.
How are you going to take it forward with this caste survey demand?
We are not going to relent. We have been demanding this for the last 2 years, more than 2 years, relentlessly, and we are not going to relent again. And this is and I have now enlightened my brothers and sisters here. We are going to go on lots of protests, and we are going to make sure that state government does it soon.
Certainly a detailed speech, sir, but you, PMK Asin, has been in very good books when it comes to BJP and AIDMK. And for the 2026 elections, already AIDMK and BJP have decided to go ahead. What is going to be the PMK stance?
See, the elections are 10 months away. We will decide.
Anything you want to tell your cadres who are here, who have been here the whole day?
I don't know. This conference is one of the biggest conferences held in Tamil Nadu in the recent past, and I'd like to thank all my cadres, and only request for them is to go home safely without any incidences, and that's what I've been requesting time and again. And I'd like to thank the police also, who have given us a lot of good support to hold this conference. During this time, the India-Pakistan issue is going around, and it's something like where we didn't come here just to celebrate or some music festival. We came here just for social justice, and that's what we are going to do in our future.
One final question, sir. Just as you mentioned India, Pakistan, the way the Indian government has handled this particular attack, what do you have to say about that?
Hats off to our Prime Minister. He has handled it wonderfully well, beautifully well, and I don't think anybody else would have done a better job. And we are with him, we are with the Indian Army, and absolutely our entire support to our Prime Minister. Whatever steps he takes, we are with him, we support him 100%.
So much, sir. Good luck with your caste survey for a protest. And that is Anbumani Ramadas, who had very clearly mentioned that this is a very important fight that PMK is going to take forward, demanding caste survey in the state of Tamil Nadu.
உன்னுடைய பேர் சுத்தமான பள்ளி பையன் சுத்தமான பள்ளி பையன்